It's me again, Papa John the Tool Man. Hey, had a quick little tip here. I get calls probably every day with the question, hey, can we put an EZ Cat6 on a Cat5e cable? And the answer is yes. Many of the Cat5e cables today are fairly small size. As you know, cable's been getting smaller and smaller every year. And we want to make sure that the strain latch of the connector is doing its job, which is to put pressure on the jacket and support the cable so to eliminate any stress to the contacts. And the way you can test that is very simple. All we need to do is cut off about 4 inches of cable, and then we're going to take this cable and we're just going to put it into the connector. And notice this falls off pretty easy. But here's what we're going to do now. We're going to take the tool and we're going to crimp it, and holding that tight, we're crimping it, and now when I pull it out, do the test. Doesn't come off.